Come meet me this nice Jamaican girl and I'm saying, mama said, those breasts. I love to kiss the breast.
The breast.
It's the breast. So the Jamaican girl, she catch her up on the French thing, So she said, oui, monsieur. So the French man, him get down and bubbly titty them, man. And by the time him sight up them near him, say, mama said, say Neville. I would like to put his wine in the Neville and kiss it.
In the Neville.
So I put, and the chick said, monsieur, oui. So I threw him wine at the Neville, man. So the next point, him say, mama said, he can't. Down there, bubbly cunt, man. I see him, then because there's a burp and fart, him, shut up, you jealous batty. I was coming to you next.
Hold on, let me help you one now. Them two people go to school, right? The boy and the girl, you know. Them go to school and them are friends.
Okay.
Them are friends, right? So, the boy now really want to touch off of the girl now. So, he hear this now, them get holiday, like summer holiday come up. So, they make arrangement to go check the girl. But it's one bus from where the boy live, you know, to go down to the girl district. Take the bus and go down there. And he plan up with the girl to make the bus left him. But the daddy live with the girl in just a one apartment, you know, one bedroom. So, you know, night come down and say, boy, John, one bus you can't go back home, you have to sleep here. Him say, no problem, sir. Him say, all right. You can sleep with my daughter, I will sleep in the coach. He said, no, sir, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I'd rather sleep on the couch and you sleep with the daughter. And them chat and him say, all right, you know what? Three of us go and sleep in at the bed. So we at the bed now, about 2 o'clock in the morning now, the boy, want the liquor, pun, then, you know, kind of thing, say daddy asleep. So him start running man over now and reach the girl. Yeah, what's that? He said, that's my mouth, you know? And he touch it. When he come down now, he said, what's that? He said, my breast. And if you tickle them, they will turn me and daddy will wake. He go down further. He said, what is that here, the girl? Me never. Don't tickle it, daddy will wake. When he go further down near him, what is that here, the daddy? That's me hand over a pussy and that's where you go and stay till daylight.
I mean, this is foreign affairs in a round. You know them man looking at them take full pill? But this old man a janitor. He's supposed to go for a pension, he reach 65. Walk upon every day and girl thinks they can manage me. Because me all of you say me call, just give me some of my pussy, no? Give me some of my pussy, I see what you do with it. Anyway, say, you man say, alright, Friday, can your money come my yard? I have an apartment in a New King something. Can your money come my yard? Me I carry you home with me. Carry one man, old boy, go in and girl, go in a bathroom, bathe and spray. No, then spray fire, so I'm behind his and
everywhere.
The old boy. He say, go and go bathe and come now. Old boy run a bathroom, go bathe. Girl take her clothes and lie down in the bed. Old boy run out, take time, come out now. And looks the girl spread out in the bed, so. But he just hides up half her bed, so. Everything wrong. So old boy come out now, ready to go work. Give him money long time now. When old boy come out, I'll can't see what I see old boy. Lord Jesus Christ, remember. Come pussy. Jesus God, come pussy. What do you want to go do with some pussy? Father help me. Come pussy. Come pussy.
Come already.
I want to eat my pussy.
Come already, man. What do
A big boy, you know.
Yeah, class.
And they had a big boy.
Alright, that big boy, alright. Fair enough.
That could be a bigger boy too.
This man not having son, sir. The man is a mechanic and he's going out of town. You know, nobody feel left him boy already. So he decides to left him with the mechanic friend. Carry the boy early morning, go left him at the man garage and little boy walk around in the garage, you know, little boy is there. Everything you see, my daddy have 2 of that. You see one big wrench, my daddy have 2 of that. You're supposed to know, because someone know daddy have mechanic too. Him see one car and say, my daddy have 2 of that. Everything you see in the garage, his daddy have 2 of that. So till the man get upset now, because he just a walk on.
Confused.
Confused, man, everything little boy say for him daddy have 2 of that. So your brother now decide say my God the urinal and the little boy follow him. So he take out the boy down here and start urinate. The little boy come on, him tell the little boy, your daddy have two of this too? So the little boy say, no, but he have one we make two of that.
Real sophisticated lady, you know. Part of town, you know, rich, money and whatever.
Sophisticated, not cat. Sophisticated.
Extravagant and everything, man. So, part of town, her problem is she's a nymphomaniac.
What that mean now? What
does that mean? Sex. War a hit. War a hit.
You love sex?
Nympho.
They want me love you and me and a nymphomaniac. Why you don't explain yourself?
Hold on, let me ask you something then. Suppose a nymphomaniac and a kleptomaniac go together and get a child. What that child would be?
Fucking thief, man.
Alright. Hey, let me tell you this one. Shoot.
Yes.
So she passed through towns and stuff, and I want to village. She wanted to legacy more fortune. And she needed to have an orgasm 20 times. One night. Who can help her? So I said, well, who? I said, not Theophilus, man. Theophilus have a big thing and him can help her or whatever. So they look for Theophilus. When they find Theophilus, Theophilus dirty, you know, full of mud that come from
ground.
It's bad than the water boat. Dirty, you can't ride.
But he well endowed.
Fully well gifted.
Well endowed.
So anyway,
repeat that. Well endowed.
Anyway, challenge Theophilus. Theophilus say, yeah, man, but soon come, I go be it. She said, no, I'll take you as you are. So anyway,
make me feel funny.
Theophilus go in her because she have a caravan thing, you know, so go in her back.
You hear me racking, don't come knocking.
Theophilus get on him, say 20 times, you know, she want to have an orgasm. So, first one, no one. First time, no Theophilus pull up the water boat and he said, what?
My phone.
So, right on the water boat, one. Work again, man, and he work again, and then two, and he said, two. Lift up the water boat and he write, two. Can again. We reach about 13 now, man.
13?
He reach at 13, you know, so my girl said, so here so she said to him, so, Theophilus, you're almost finished. You're at 18. No. 13 minutes. So she said, no, Theophilus, you're at 18. Not. Rab you. He said, no, but I'm being fair. You're at 18. Yeah, no, what? Confusion. Let me rub you out and we start over.
I'm going to bridge in the yard, you know. I'm bridging have a son. And just across the fence, they never have an next little boy. And one day I go there and the two of them did that chat. And I hear them with them. So I say, but them little boy I know easy. So I just start listening to them conversation, you know. Hear for me neighbor though, hear for me bridging boy. Yeah. You know, so my daddy eat light bulb. So the other one said to him, say, yeah, eat that home and feed light bulb. Can I eat light bulb, man? He said, yes, my daddy eat light bulb. So next little boy said, you ever see him yet? He said, no, me not see him. Oh, yeah, eat that. You know, see him, you know, say eat light bulb. He said, yes, he am the light bulb. So the next little one said, explain to me how you know that. He said, last night, me get up my belly, I pain me. And I go to my room now, because I want a little medicine. And when me notice, me see light under the door, as me knock me hear daddy say, turn off the light, me I go near me. So you know, most near light bulb.
You have two rich man live, you know. A nearby, you know.
two gardeners. Every day, every Sunday, them take turns and go each other's house, you know? We shoot shit as usual. So, you know, me come over your house now, I said to you, man, I have one of the stupidest gardener in the whole world, man. You said, nah, man, better 10 grand, man, my garden has to be than your garden.
Yes.
Say, yeah, that, man. Say, all right, 10 grand. We have money, you know, 10 grand. So I said, Joe, come here. When I'm pocket, see $10. Go down like car mart, buy one Benz full up of gas, and carry back home. Take $10. God, man. So you say, that's a kind stupid. My money has sense, man. God, you got away. John, come on, man. Come over here, man. We have something video you have to do over here, man. Say, go back over here, then. See if you see me over there. Tell me, say me a call me. That God, man. John and Joe meet up like gate now. So Joe said to John. Yeah. Joe said to John, say, why my boss fool for you? My call from where around back in the man. Give me $10. So good on I come back, buy one Benz and full of gas and come back. I don't remember Saturday or Sunday, come back. So yeah, idiot, man. I'm my boss fool, man. Me over my yard and mow it land and the man call me after my work. I tell me, say, boy, if you go back over here, you go see me see him. I tell him, say, I call him. And the phone, the right, I say, go call me.
Don't go to